Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com. And for those old people like me that have started collecting tools because they need to, this is a Bosch electric screwdriver that I was able to buy during the last sale from Shopee. I got it for 1,523, and as you can see right now, it's already at 2,700 pesos. Okay, so it has the all-new Bosch Go Smart Cordless Screwdriver Kit. Okay, so we're gonna open it up and see exactly what's inside. Dun-dun. As you can see, that's the screwdriver set, and I assume these are all the heads, different types of heads that you can use. Okay, so power button, you have to press it to keep it on. Okay, and there's an adjustment here, which I assume is to see how strong it is. Okay, the strength of the turn. Okay, and then this one is to change the direction. When it's in the middle, it's off. When it's up, it turns clockwise, and when it's the bottom, it turns counterclockwise. Okay, it's charged by a standard USB cord. The old ones, the initial ones, I think that's called a micro USB type A. Okay, and as you can see here, there's all the different types of heads that you might need. Here's that's the extender, Phillips, different kinds of Phillips, flat heads, and I have no idea what these other ones are. So as you can see, those are the different. I think these are the standard square ones, the Allen wrench ones. Okay, and then there's the star ones, and that one. This is the Allen wrench, right? Okay. So look. Well, if you weren't able to buy it in this last sale, then that means you're gonna have to pay about 1,000 pesos more. But I'm happy that I got this. I'm gonna be able to use it, and as you can see, there's a rating, 3.6 volts, 300 watt. What's that? It says 360 minutes, and I have no idea. Okay, it's made in Malaysia, and that's it. Thanks guys, I'm gonna be happy doing this. Woohoo! Oh, and if you remove this, okay, as you can see, there's a user manual in the bottom and the USB cord to charge the drill or the screwdriver. As you can see here, I put in one of the Phillips head screw heads, and have fun guys. Oh, and there's a LED light there, so I assume that's gonna blink red when the power is almost gone. Woohoo!